Uh, Let me start.
Yeah,
Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. Thank you so much, IFPH, International Forum for Promoting Homeopathy, to give us an opportunity for this special time to let the Afghan people know how we can help and according to homeopathy and how to promote the homeopathy and what is homeopathy actually, because in Afghanistan, as everyone knows better, in Afghanistan the people are not aware with the homeopathy. And then my last presentation in IFPH, I given details about uh, what are the challenges here in Afghanistan for the homeopathy, and what has been done, and what we need to do for the betterment of homeopathy, and to recognize and establish this system of medicine in Afghanistan with the Ministry of Public Health. Today I'm talking generally because this is the session, special session for the patients. And I hope so many patients will be online here in this platform, and 48 hours of IFPH wearing homeopathy globally. Uh, when the patient visits me, for example, a patient comes to me, they ask, what is homeopathy? What is this? No one write about this kind of words, and haven't seen these kind of words in Afghanistan. The people used to use used to mention in their billboards and their prescriptions, and advertising brochures, and anyhow, the doctor of the urology, gastroenterology, doctor of like orthopedic surgeon, and anyhow. But what is homeopathy? And we have to tell everything very shortly and briefly, and details. We have to see the how the patient understand what is the education of the patient. Then we have to tell everything, what is homeopathy, what are the how the homeopathy works, and how the homeopathy is beneficial in your problem. And especially my patients are used to visit for psychiatry problems, depressions, anxiety, insomnia, and sexual diseases, infertility. Only these kind of patients I proceed only. But we need in Afghanistan for the homeopathy to be established first. And this is not uh, the responsibility of me and my team of Afghanistan Homeopathic Medical Association to recognize and establish. Even though, let me tell you clearly, we cannot do it because recognition of the system within the country is not an easy task. The one organization, one person, one team, and one association cannot complete this process to get recognition and establishment within the health sector with the government of Afghanistan. I want to say thank you so much, Dr. Hamid Shinwari. Today he joined us. He is a medical doctor. He has done his MD and also MPH, and also he has done his PhD in health strategic policies. Uh, I don't have words to say thank you again to Dr. Hamid Shinwari to join us, and he expressed his words of he will help for the promotion of homeopathy in Afghanistan. And these kind of people we need in Afghanistan for the recognition, establishment, and development of homeopathic system. Not only homeopathy, I'm talking always about the Ayush system, Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, homeopathy, Siddha, everyone. But as a homeopathic professional, I have done my homeopathy DHMS in 2005 from Frontier Homeopathic Medical College. And from last 15 years, I'm working in this profession. Along with all Ayush system, I focus on homeopathy because of I am homeopath. I have some questions and I have some doubts about my work. From last 2 years, we have started the struggles to promote the homeopathy in Afghanistan, because this is the platform of IFPH, International Promotion of Homeopathy, and we have to focus on the promotion of the homeopathy. When I start the practice in Afghanistan in 2016, there was no patient, there was no awareness, there was no any planning and motivation problems, there was no any presentations, there was no any public and governmental sector awareness programs for the homeopathy. We started this association by the name of Afghanistan Homeopathic Medical Association. We have aware so many governmental organizations, private organizations. We give the presentations in some universities, institutions, and hospitals, individual awareness programs, patient-to-patient awareness programs. For example, whenever we aware a patient about the homeopathy, what is this system, how it works, and which kind of problems you can solve with the homeopathic medical system, then we tell also along with these words, you have to tell others, because there's a new system in Afghanistan. This is not a new system. This is a system new for Afghanistan. The people should know. When the people understood, I think this is also a big power. We have to have some homeopathic lovers within the health professionals, within the students, and within the educational and non-educational people within the Afghanistan. For this purpose, we have conducted a free medical camp. We started the free medical camps annually. One medical camp we have to do within Afghanistan. The first camp was in December 2016. And more than 900 patients were seen by the homeopaths within the exhibition hall in Kabul. And right now we have conducted another free medical camp just for the awareness and promotion of homeopathy. We don't have any other issues on that. We are not promoting for our business point of view, like we have to make a patients. Me, myself, I didn't think about right now that I will increase my patients. No, just for the promotion of homeopathy. And that exhibition, we will distribute brochures, and we will give some lectures, motivations, and awareness to the people. The education, the exhibition is educational exhibition. And education exhibition, all universities of Afghanistan, the top universities especially, they will participate in that exhibition. And there will be so many institutions and education forums will be there, and the students will come. And we will aware the people about this therapeutic system of homeopathy and education system of homeopathy. And I also want to thank you, Ministry of Ayush and Indian High Commission in Afghanistan. They have allowed the scholarships, the full funded scholarships to our Afghan students. In 2020, the first scholarships has been announced for the Afghan students by the ICCR. And these students will go to India. They will get their graduation, BHMS, Bachelor in Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery, for 5 and 4 years, 5.5 years, and also for the MD and PhD also. That is totally free by the government of India. Because we need more homeopaths here in Afghanistan. We have very less number of homeopathic professionals. How to increase? How to conduct the trainings within the allopathic medicine doctors. Because if we wait for a student, he will graduate after 5 years and he will come back to Afghanistan, he will work for the promotion of homeopathy and he will practice in the homeopathic medical science. That will be so lengthy process. I have another suggestion to all legends of this program. Let's start some trainings among the allopathic doctors. First, we have to bring the awareness among the allopathic doctors. We have to convince them to get short trainings in homeopathy, and that will be a mind-blowing awareness within the country. Because when we train a little bit the allopathic, the conventional doctors, and it will work, I hopefully. As in last presentation, I mentioned the Baxen's College and Hospital, they have accepted our proposal. We have requested them to train our skin doctors. And they have accepted, but due to the coronavirus, it has been postponed. But right now they have sent me an email that you people should send the doctors and we will train them homeopathically how to treat the skin diseases. About 10 to 15 dermatologists of conventional doctors, we will try to collect them and we will send it to the India, the Great Meda, to the Baxen College, and they will be trained homeopathically how to treat the skin diseases. On the base of IFPH, we can work on homeopathy in Afghanistan because the people are ready to be aware. We have work among the Ministry of Public Health and Afghanistan Medical Council. Afghanistan Medical Council is a conventional medical council, which is the regulatory body for the medical practice of Ministry of Public Health and medical education to Ministry of Higher Education. Especially Dr. Shinwari is there. Like he has been motivated and now he is willing to work for the homeopathy. That's so good news for me. Like I haven't had any expectation from this kind of legend to announce his precious words to work for the homeopathy. And we have so many legends and authorities like Dr. Qadir, who is the Deputy Minister of Ministry of Public Health. He is the big lover of and big supporter of homeopathy. Dr. Muhibullah Azir, who is the Curative Director General of the Ministry of Public Health. He is also the lover and supporter of the homeopathy. And so many. Let me mention another person like Dr. Faizullah Kakad, who was the Chief of Staff for the President Office. And I gave a presentation in the President Office, and it was so effective, and they have accepted our proposal that they will support and they will work for the promotion of homeopathy. If someone accepts that I will work for homeopathy, but if there is no any strong communication and strong organization within the country, how he will work. In my last presentation, I request to IFPH and other organization in the world, we have to make a strong body and strong committee for promoting homeopathy in this country. And all the members should be active in all regards. For example, we need to have a one committee, and the committee should be very active in daily and weekly and monthly activities should be there, reports should be there. I mean, how to work. We have to make a plan for that. We have a Dr. Shinwari sir, Hamid Shinwari. Let me tell you one thing special. Dr. Hamid Shinwari also was the Director General for the Cricket Board also. He is a legend person. Everyone knows in Afghanistan. He is a strategic specialist and planning specialist. Dr. Shaji Saab and every respected authorities and members of the IFPH and other organizations. As a junior, I am requesting everyone, first, teach us how to promote the homeopathy in Afghanistan. This is my topic of today, how I work. Since last 2 years, I'm working, but still I'm not able to recognize this system. We couldn't be able to register this system within the health ministry. It means our knowledge is not enough, experience is not enough, and maybe we don't have enough team for this. You people are legend, you have experience, and you are running, everyone is, I know, running universities, and they are lecturers, and they know better about me and my team. As a student, teach me how to work. If there is a need to have a training, conduct some trainings. If it is within the Afghanistan and outside of the Afghanistan. Fund this project, support this projects, and the day will not so far that we will get success in this in our mission to promote, establish, regulate homeopathic medical system in Afghanistan. I hope we can get our work done as soon as possible with the help of IFPH and other organizations of the world who are working and struggling for the promotion of the homeopathy. And especially my request from the IFPH, because IFPH, what I know, that is a great platform that we can get the help from for the recognition and promotion of the homeopathy in our country. I think I don't have more words about this. There are so many long stories to discuss about this, what's going on and what kind of challenges are here. But my request, and last, I'm requesting how to promote the system, how to aware the people, and how to educate the people, and how to motivate the people for this system. Let's come together. We have to start professional activities and professional strategy and planning for this promotion of homeopathy in Afghanistan. I request once again, please come together. We are ready. Ministry of Public Health is ready. Medical Council is ready. Our association, Afghanistan Homeopathic Medical Association, is ready. And I hope Ministry of Higher Education is ready for the homeopathic medical education. How to work? You people decide, and we are the first line soldiers. We will perform anything you people decided.
Dr.
And last, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Yes, thank you so much, IFPH, for giving us this opportunity. And thanks again. Thanks all the legends of this today's webinar. Thank you so much.
Dr. Bidara, you have done
Yes.
great things in Afghanistan. Between the time of this 5 years, I think. You passed out by 2020, 2016, I think so. You was mentioned. And after that, you started the treatment in homeopathy. You have gathered this much of opportunity with the Hamid and everything. So you have done great things. You don't be disappointed. In India, in Kerala, we are traveled so much. When I am started my studies in homeopathy, there's no department are there. Only few dispensaries. Only 50 or 55 dispensaries are there. One college is there. From that period, it was gone, gradually. We got the department, separate department, other colleges, everything we got it. After some times only we got it. So within the time of 5 years, you achieved this much. So congratulations. Very encouraging one. Suppose you need any help from the IFPH, we are ready to prepare to give it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
We will come there. We will work together, no problem.
Most welcome, sir.
But even then, you don't be disappointed yourself. You've done great things within the time of 5 years.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Keep it in mind.
Thank you. Thank you for your
any help you need, we will prepare to give it through the IEPH.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. One thing, especially what my achievement from last 1 month, the Afghanistan Homeopathic Medical Association signed the MOU with the TGFC. TGFC is the International Free Fight Program. The International Free Fight Program, we have signed the MOU to provide free of cost services to the TGFC. Nationally and internationally, the free fight programs, we will provide the healthcare services. And tomorrow also there is a free fight program in Afghanistan. And this is also, AHMA is the sponsor of that program. Before and after, all the champions, nationally and internationally, like, let me tell you one thing, Mr. Ahmad Wali Hotak, he is an international free fight champion.
Very good
he is my patient. Yes, Ahmad Wali Hotak, he is my patient. His mother is my patient. His brother is my patient. His all team, they come to my clinic. We provide the services. And these kind of things we are looking for, because when Ahmad Wali Hotak and like Rashid Khan, we are trying to bring the Rashid Khan to my clinic, because I will request to Hamid Shinwari, he was the director of cricket board, and I will request him, and he told me yesterday that I will bring one by one all the cricket players. They will know the homeopathy. We will aware them about the homeopathy, and the homeopathy will bring the positive impact within the country. We are trying the best.
See, one Arabic people thrown my Medica and said to me, this nonsense. We will not allow you to hear or practice our recognized homeopathy. After what happened in Dubai, 2001 to recognize. I conducted the international conference by 2005, and then I left Dubai. I'm not going to mention the name of the person who thrown my Materia Medica and said these things. So don't be disappointed. Make it yourself healthy. God bless you. Inshallah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. One thing, and last, I want to say, whenever someone say negative about the homeopathy and what is this is not science, and what, I get happy, because when someone asks,
you teach them the lesson of homeopathy.
Yes.
Yeah. Hanuman's aphorism 1 to 14 is enough, or 1 to 26 is enough to convince them.
Yes.
Not all the aphorisms needed.
Yes. Yes, sir. And we are trying to aware from the basic. We start from the zero, and I thanks God, thanks Allah. Now we are not in the top, but we are going on the top. We are going to the top. We are moving up, not coming down. And this is
In Arabic, homeopathy word is telling Adawiyatul al-Masaliya. You know that? Adawiyatul al-Masaliya. Treat the
al-Masaliya.
which treated the same thing. Treat with the same thing. The meaning of that one. That meaning.
Yes. Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your nice words.
Good luck.
Thank you.